Crazy Cuties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex I'm a cruelty-free ME who loves to play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is trying out a new palette I got from Target a few weeks ago, and I got the Colourpop the Feels palette. This was actually on discount, so it was really good to find good discounts, especially at Target. But yes, so this is my first time trying this palette out. I saw this and I thought it was really cute. And I really like these colors, so yeah. I do not have these colors in my collection. I like to get different colors and work with different, blah blah blah, the gist of collecting eyeshadows, palettes. I'm a big collector, everything. But we're gonna just go ahead and just get down to it. All the products I've used in this video will be down below in the description. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with green. Bronzing green. We're gonna see. Yeah. So I like these shades already. I love Colourpop's formula, and it's just, if I don't like the formula, I will tell you if the formula has changed or anything with that, especially with like different palettes from different companies. I'm more like, okay, let's see how this formula is. If I already know how this formula is going to work, I'm just going to play with it and see if you like warm to neutral with a little hint of color. This palette might be for you. I'm actually just going to go with Great Outdoors. This shade right here. I'm just going to lightly just go into It's a nice, it is really soft as usual. Yeah, I'm just gonna go simple. I actually want to play like and I'm actually gonna use Peaked just to blend out the edges a little bit. It will help blend it up a little bit. So this is Peak. Beautiful color. I used to, anyway, if I'm using like dark colors or very light colors, I kind of blend that into the blend the colors because it matches my skin tone perfectly. And this one does a really good job. Making it a little bit lighter, and that's what I want. Okay, we're gonna use Mossy. Nice neutral green, brownish green color. It looks green to me. It's a little hint of brown. Yep. Nice neutral green. I like that. I like neutral greens anyway. Great. Mighty Pine. And just go, there we go. Ooh. I am not using any glitter glue or any kind of like that. I'm just using it by itself. Oh, this is a nice, pretty, light olive green, fresh air. Just to lighten up that in the corner. Whoa. Yeah. Very impactful color in the corner, which I don't mind. Into that mossy color again. And I'm just gonna lightly just buff that color. And then I'll put some mascara. Finish up the look, and then we'll be right back. This is the finished look. Very neutral, with a nice warm tone lip color, because since I'm going with neutral, let's go with dark. I think this is perfect. I think I should have got this during fall. If I tell the truth, this is a good, perfect fall palette. I'm gonna say that nice neutral fall palette. But I really do like the formula. I have no problem with the formula. Yes, there's a little bit kickback. It's okay. Fallout, but that's okay. To me, it still gave me the look that I want. They're neutral, easy to work with, and I really do like this palette. I'm definitely gonna play with this even more. I actually want to play with the rose gold color. It looks like this shade right here, and it'd be really cute. Like, go with the dark tones. Yeah, this is gonna be a Wednesday's palette I'm gonna use. Yeah, Wednesday tomorrow. I am actually gonna use this because I feel like this is, might as well. You know, let's go with everyday neutral looks this time around. But yeah, I do give this a 5 out of 5 because, yeah, I'm giving it a 5 out of 5. I like Colourpop. Their eyeshadows, I have no problem with their eyeshadows, but if you're looking for a neutral palette with some greens, with some brown tones, or any tones that you see here, this is a palette for you. But yes, you can finding something similar to this, go for it. But if you like neutral palettes, this is perfect for you. But yeah, if you do like this video, make sure to hit the like button so I know you want to see more neutral palettes or neutral looks, something like this. And of course, want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We're a drama-free and judgment-free here. We welcome everybody here. And of course, make sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified if any new videos that I upload. I do go live every Monday and Wednesdays at 12 p.m. I do go live on Friday with my friend Christine. And I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye!